Hey, it's Similoli here, and you know what? We're at the end of the year. It just started, and the whole world knows what happened in this awesome, that's the only word I can use to describe this year, this awesome 2020, because so much has happened. So many of us have lost loved ones, and it just made me reflect a little bit. And in reflecting, I thought, you know what, why not just make a video that goes over the videos that I've made this past year. Now, quite a number of you tend to ask me about different aspects of trading. Some will ask questions about cryptocurrency or specific indicators, just different types of questions. And many times, not all times, I usually would have a video that could address some of these questions. So I decided to put together in this one video a list of the different videos that I have for the different aspects of day trading. Now I will be showing 5 of my playlists that basically put the various videos that I've made over the past couple of years into 5 different categories. As well as this, I'll place links in the description box to each of these 5 playlists. Hopefully, this will help you easily find different videos that could address your various questions. So with all said and done, let's get right into it. bear in mind, I've only gone through the top 7 videos on each of these playlists. So make sure you take the time to scroll through all the videos on each of these playlists. Altogether, I have over 100 videos, and hopefully you should find one that answers your questions. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you have found some value in this video. And if you have, then the only thing I ask of you is that you hit that like button. Don't forget to drop your comments. Your comments actually inform me of how these videos work for you, and also lets me know of any future videos that you would want me to make. Remember to share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, but most importantly, you gotta remember to hit that notification bell. This way, you're informed of videos as soon as I upload them. And I will see you in the next video.